Jones stand of gluing together the stringers for our formula. Stringers are 2 layers of 3/4 inch marine plywood. As we're keeping this build very traditional, yet we want it to last another 50 years. So we're using all epoxy. The boys are putting a layer of 1708. A little different than infusion. This is vacuum bagging. It's another really neat way of laminating, keeping it clean, yet still getting a far superior lamination. These are our 2 outer stringers, and these are our bulkheads to our stringers. These are 2 layers of 3/4 inch marine ply, sandwiched with epoxy, and a layer of 1 ounce mat as a bonder. And then what we'll do is we'll put a layer of 1708 that will all be bagged and laminated as well. These are the runners for the formula. Eric's knocking down all the sharp edges, prepping them to get them tabbed into the boat. Well, this morning,
you say that every time.
Catching up with Eric and Stanley, and they are laminating core to our formula transom with 3 layers of an 1808 material. Beautiful job rolling out any air bubbles. Nice tight layup. Those are the outboard stringers. Getting the inboard stringer set now. Now that our transom is laminated, we can go ahead and start to put our stringer system in the boat, prepping it to have it tabbed and glassed into the hull. These are ready for glass. The stringers, bulkheads, and all the components were previously laminated and vacuum bagged. We use 1 inch, 7-pound density foam, and we make our fillets. You also notice underneath each bulkhead and stringer, 3/8 strip of foam. We do this so our wood is in fact floating. The wood was right up against the surface of the hull. It gives the hull hard, rigid areas where in fact can cause severe hull cracking.